Hello YouTubes, welcome back to another adventure, Danny and Seren. Today we're in Slovenia. We've decided to come and get wet in a foreign country and we're at Lake Bohinj, just off, what is it, the park called? Triglav National Park. So yeah, we're here for a week, Wednesday to Wednesday, and the forecast is rain all week, apart from Saturday and Sunday. Saturday's meant to be 18 degrees and sunny. But yeah, we just had our breakfast and we're coming for a nice little run around Lake Bohinj, which our hotel is a kilometre away from. So we've reached the far end of the lake, just looping round. We've realised we're definitely out of season, as there's no one else here, and it's just raining. So we're now heading along the north shore of Lake Bohinj on the way back, about halfway round. Apparently there's European adders we have to keep an eye out for. I'm sure they'll run away before we get near them. And just as a little status update on our health, obviously I haven't mentioned it so far this run, we're both pretty much better. No real dramas now, no more medication, not taking anything, not doing anything, just back to being healthy. Only took about, what, 5 weeks? Rubbish. Don't like being ill, it's rubbish. Ruins all the fun. But yeah, fighting fit again now. Yeah, now we just need to get back to running, building up our fitness, getting strong, healthy, and ready for races, to win, to be the champions of the world. So that's the end of our run round Lake Bohinj in the rain. It's been a lovely run, very flat, but nice. Nice scenery, better than being in work, better than being at home, a bit different. About 11 kilometres in total we did. Coming up to the car, just on the left down that little road there.